Hi viewers. Welcome back to Reset Systems. We have come up with a short video regarding how to check whether your Windows is activated. Here are some of the methods to check with the activation of Windows 11 operating system. Right-click on this PC icon and click on Properties. In Windows specifications you will find the operating system installed in your laptop. Scroll down the page. Click on Product Key and Activation. Click on Activation State and check whether your PC is activated or not. Kindly note Windows is activated with the digital license means your PC has an original key installed in your motherboard. Let's check with the second method. Click on Start menu. And click on Settings icon. Navigate to Activation bar. And click on it to enter into the activation page. Click on Activation State. By this method, you can check with the activation. Third method. Click on Start menu and type Activation. Click on Activation Settings and click on Activation State to check with the activation. Fourth method. You can also check the activation by using Command Prompt. Click on Start menu, type CMD and run as administrator. Type this command to check with the activation. slmgr.vbs/xpr and click Enter. The system displays the activation state by a pop-up window. If you want to know more about the slmgr command line tool and how it works, click on Start menu, type CMD and run as administrator. Type this command without any parameters. slmgr.vbs/dlv. You will be able to see the license status on the small pop-up window. Thus we learn to know the methods to check regarding Windows activation in a laptop. We will get back to you with a new video on how to check whether my laptop has original Windows license in it. Thank you.